Hello, history lovers. Today, I'm taking you deep into the heart of the Balkans to unravel the dramatic and layered story of Bosnia and Herzegovina, a land where empires collided, faiths mingled, and survival shaped identity. In just 3 minutes, let's journey through centuries of resilience, tragedy, and hope. First stop, the medieval era. Bosnia has been inhabited since way back. Think prehistoric times. But by the 12th century it rose as a proper kingdom, with rulers like Ban Kulin and King Tvrtko I putting Bosnia on the medieval map. This wasn't your average European country. Here, the Bosnian church took root, seen as wrong by both the Catholic and Orthodox worlds. It created a unique mix of Slavic customs and Christian traditions, something that really set Bosnia apart. But everything changed when the Ottomans rolled in, conquering Bosnia in 1463. The Ottoman rule lasted over 400 years and transformed the region deeply. Many locals converted to Islam, and Bosnia became a true crossroads. Muslims, Orthodox Serbs, and Catholic Croats, all living together, sometimes peacefully, sometimes not. The Ottomans left their mark everywhere. Think grand mosques, schools, and the iconic bridges you'll still find in places like Sarajevo, all wrapped in stunning Islamic architecture. Fast forward to 1878, the Austro-Hungarian Empire takes over. They modernized the infrastructure, think railways, schools, and a more European feel. But new tensions brewed under the surface, as rising nationalism pulled ethnic and religious groups further apart. Then, a single gunshot in 1914 changed the world. Gavrilo Princip, a Bosnian Serb, assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand right in Sarajevo, sparking World War I and putting Bosnia center stage. After both world wars, Bosnia became part of Yugoslavia, run by Tito's socialist vision. But when Yugoslavia fell apart in the 1990s, Bosnia declared independence, and all heck broke loose. The Bosnian War was a nightmare: sieges, ethnic cleansing, genocide at Srebrenica. The fighting only stopped with the Dayton Agreement in 1995, but the scars run deep, and politics remain complicated. So what about today? Bosnia and Herzegovina is still home to Bosniaks, Serbs, and Croats, stitched together in a delicate balance. Challenges? Plenty, from economic struggles to political gridlock. But there's also resilience, rich culture, and a new generation ready to heal old wounds and dream of something better. And there you have it, Bosnia's incredible story in just 3 minutes. From medieval rulers to empires, war, and hope, Bosnia's journey is a testament to endurance and identity. If you found this story as captivating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks. And until next time, stay curious. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour of Bosnian history. See you in the next episode of History in 3 Minutes.